with that, we've gone over all the bachata basics, so you guys can go ahead and rewatch all the videos, pause them, slow them down when you need to. Just kind of practice with all of these because getting the basics down and mastering the fundamentals is really the key to be getting really good at bachata. No matter how many years you've been dancing, you're always going to come back to the basics. It's always going to be there. They're always going to haunt you. So you just want to make sure you get all the basics down and you're comfortable enough. You can always come back to this series and just get a good feel of them. And I hope you guys continue following along in our future videos for all the partner work, and then continuing on this journey in our YouTube series as we upload all of our routines. And then by the end of the semester, hopefully you guys will become more intermediate level dancers, and you'll feel comfortable going out to socials when everything starts up again. But yeah, hope you guys have fun. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. 24 horas.